The North Carolina Department of Transportation is working on planning and designs for the US 70 Improvement Project R5777C. This project is one of several along the US 70 corridor meant to improve safety, enhance regional mobility, benefit military interconnectivity, provide a closer interstate connection to the port of Morehead City, and assist with economic development in eastern North Carolina. I am Casey Whitley, the NCDOT project manager for this project. This project will upgrade approximately 7 miles of US 70, which has been designated as future Interstate 42 to interstate standards. The project starts where the Havelock Bypass ties into US 70 north of Havelock and ends east of Thurman Road in Craven County. This video will provide you with a bird's eye flyover view of the proposed improvements considered for Alternative A. A similar video for Alternative B is available on the project webpage, where you can also submit comments on these alternatives. Alternative A would construct interchanges with US 70 passing over cross streets, while Alternative B would construct interchanges with US 70 passing under cross streets. Parallel service roads will be improved and extended to provide access to cross streets and the surrounding community. Please note, this video has been created as a supplement to the design plans. All elements may not reflect final design. Traffic shown does not represent actual traffic conditions. Upgrading US 70 to interstate standards involves removing driveways, intersections, and median crossovers. No additional travel lanes will be constructed along US 70 as part of this project. Interchanges will be constructed at Stately Pines Road, Fisher Avenue, and Camp Kiro Road. Service roads will be extended along portions of the project to provide access to homes and businesses and connections for local traffic between the interchanges. On and off ramps will be constructed at interchanges. Roundabouts will be constructed where on and off ramps from US 70 connect to intersecting cross streets. Roundabouts will be wide enough to accommodate trucks and emergency vehicles and will help facilitate continuous traffic flow, improve safety, and will function even when power goes out due to storms. The first interchange is at Stately Pines Road. Alternative A would elevate US 70 with bridges over Stately Pines Road, which would be shifted south and extended to connect to a new service road on the west side of US 70. On and off ramps will be constructed to provide access to US 70, while roundabouts would be at the ramp intersection with Stately Pines Road. Service road intersections would be controlled with stop signs. Driveways would be constructed for several Craven County wells to provide access to new service roads. On the west side of US 70, the limited amount of distance between the North Carolina Railroad and US 70 prevent the construction of a parallel service road between Catfish Lake Road and Riverdale Avenue. Instead, local traffic would use Catfish Lake and County Line roads to connect to Fisher Avenue and Riverdale Avenue to the north, approximately 2.5 miles. The distance along County Line Road between Catfish Lake Road and Fisher Avenue is roughly 1.5 miles. At the Fisher Avenue interchange, Alternative A would elevate US 70 over Fisher Avenue. Fisher Avenue would remain at approximately the same location and elevation crossing under US 70. Ramps would be used to access both directions on US 70, as well as Fisher Avenue. The interchange would have roundabouts at the intersection of ramps with Fisher Avenue. Local traffic would continue to use County Line Road on the west side of US 70 to Riverdale Road. At this point, a new service road that connects to Riverdale Road would provide access to the north for local traffic. Similar to Stately Pines Road and Fisher Avenue interchanges in Alternative A, US 70 would be elevated over Camp Kiro Road and have ramps to provide access to US 70, with Camp Kiro Road crossing under US 70. Again, roundabouts would be constructed at the ramp intersections with Camp Kiro Road to help facilitate continuous traffic flow and eliminate the need for traffic signals. Intersections with service roads would be controlled with stop signs. The project continues north, following the current alignment of US 70 with service roads on both sides. The project ties into the US 70 James City Improvements project just east of Thurman Road. Once complete, these two projects will create continuous local roadway connections on both sides of US 70 between the Stately Pines Road interchange and the Neuse River Bridge using a combination of existing local roads and service road extensions. If you have any questions about something that you see on the map, email US70-Havelock to Thurman at publicinput.com or call 1-855-925-2801, code 4601 to leave a message and someone from the project team will get back to you. Don't forget to sign up on the website for project updates and follow us on social media.